Yo, what's going on, guys? X-Man Answer here, and welcome to a video that might be interesting, but is also new. That's gonna be real new to my channel. So, before we get right into the video, if you guys please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, please on my channel, post notifications, click the bell down below, demon know for whenever I upload a video and our live stream to my channel, you can see it live. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join Team X-Men 06 for more new content on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. Alright, so today's video is going to be how to add annotations, well, I don't know if I'm gonna explain this right, but you do you guys know, from time to time YouTubers add their channel icon and a video playlist or something, well, you'll pretty much see at the end of this video, hopefully, if I remember to link them. But we'll go to, for this, oh, and I'm on my Kano computer. This is what I check my channel's analytics and all that, and on a regular computer. But yeah, hopefully everything is looking good. These are my, 23 views on the live stream yesterday. It's crazy. Wow, holy crap. We are halfway to 1,000 views. That's amazing. Oh my god. With 38 subs. Do I believe that? Kind of. But anyway, this is where I check my analytics, if I got copyright strikes, which I don't, which, thank God, I don't want to get any copyright strikes. This is how I check the community, which you guys have been real supportive and all that. Actually, I don't really check this area much. Oh, it shows all the comments for the videos. Oh. I learn something new every day on YouTube, pretty much. Alright, so what we're here today is to add annotations. Channel icon and a video. Let's go to a video that I didn't do that yet. I was messing around with it yesterday because I heard that it was new. So let's, for instance, holy crap, look at these views. Whoa, that video got 22 views. One dislike. Crap. Oh well. What videos do I want to test this out on? Ooh, maybe I can do it on the 65 views on that first episode of Roblox. On that box 1. Wait, what? Wait, I gotta check the second episode. Wait, did I? Yeah, I posted the second. 19 views. Starting to catch on. Ooh. This will be a perfect example. For once, here. We go to your videos on your channel. You click edit, or you click this little arrow right here, and it brings you this little screen. It shows you your info and settings, enchantments. I'm thinking of Minecraft terms. Sorry. The audio, the end screen, the cards, which is pretty cool. Subtitles, I don't really care. And it even shows the channel, X-Man03, upload time. Oh, duration, raw file, unknown. Views, 65 likes, 5. 1 dislike, and here's custom yeah. So what we're going to be looking at is the end screen, and yes, I'll watch this video at the end. And when you add stuff like this, it usually takes you back 20 seconds after, before you're actually going to end. So here we go. You can use view. You can show grid like this, or you can. Wait, does everything look good to you guys? Let me maybe zoom in my iPad. Oh, and I'm using my iPad for this, and that's what I use for my streams, so, yeah. You can show grid, you don't have to, but it's kind of helpful, I guess. Alright, so we're good. You can use template, you could have it that, in the middle, up top, or at the bottom. For this, we are going. Wait, where's the face cam for this? Right, it's down here, so we kind of want to add it up here and up here. Okay, oh, no, wrong one. Okay, use template. We are going to be using these two, and for the video that we're going to link up here is going to be the second episode of the Roblox on Xbox. So why not? All right, so here's my channel icon. You could even change it if you want, like edit templates. Like you can delete it. You can. All right, so for this, choose a video or playlist. All right, we go down here to the video. Choose a video or playlist, right here. We click edit, and then you could either put it at most recent upload, automatically feature the most recent. Oh, I can't see anything. Recently uploaded video, best for viewers. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit their viewers, or you could choose a video or live or playlist. Select from your recent uploads and playlist. Enter a YouTube URL. Alright, we are going to do the second episode of the Roblox on Xbox One S, because this will be perfect. Here it is. Okay, so we click on that, we click save, and then it pretty much brings you a little editing track. Alright, and then welcome to Roblox on Xbox One S episode 1. And if you want, you can click preview. So let's preview this. There we go. You know what? Let's unmute this. Well, let's just unmute this for this. Like, why not? Yeah, let's unmute this. Alright. Hopefully this won't cause problems later. Alright, so we got that done. Here's the second episode of Roblox on Xbox One S, and here's the subscribe button, which I've been playing around with this yesterday, and I found out, like, if you add annotations to your stuff, it will make your channel get more views or something, or more, I don't know, income or something. I don't care about income. I really don't. Alright, so let's preview this. Alright, hang on. Okay, there we go. Let's do it again. And it's pretty much like that, pretty much. Yeah, so there we go. And that's what helps get your video and all that more views or something. So after that, you want to make sure you got everything where you want it. Then you click save. Notice that all changes save. And let's go up here, and hopefully I'll do this right. You know, let's go to... Let's go to my creator's studio. I think this is how you do it. Okay, and you don't have to wait like hours for that to render. Like once you press save, it's pretty much saved on the video, I guess. I've been messing with it a lot yesterday, so I'm not completely sure, but that's okay. Where's the first episode of it? There it is. Okay, so let's... Okay, hopefully I'm doing this right. I don't know if I am. There we go. Yes. Alright, it's muted. Alright, here's the video itself. I want to pause it. The computer's a little slow. Kind of. And I just spit all over everything. Perfect. Yeah, that's what you want for a video. Yeah. Alright, and... Wait. Oh, you can check your analytics and the edit video on the computer. Wait, what? Like I said, I'm learning a lot of stuff every day on YouTube. Oh, that's cool. It does puts the game that you're playing and all that. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I love it how YouTube sets stuff like that up. Alright. We are going to skip ahead right around there we go. Hopefully it shows this. It might not work depending on what device you're watching it from. Then I just realized, like, in every video I record, I'm either wearing red or my Deadpool jacket. Like, okay, look. See if this might work. There we go. Like, oh, and yeah, and if you hover over this, we'll bring the subscribe button and all that. And if you hover over that, that's pretty gosh darn cool. And I love messing with stuff like this. Like, stuff like that, I love to mess with. And all that. So, yeah, that's how you add annotations to your videos. Which is surprisingly easy. I thought it would take like 5 hours to render in the video. But apparently, once you click save, it just saves it, and there you go. And that was a perfect video to do it to. Plus, I might do that in the other Roblox videos, so that way it can take me to the next episode or the previous episode. I don't know, but I'm still learning. Hopefully I won't mess it up in this video. So, I don't know, but yeah. So that's pretty much how you add annotations to your videos, which is really easy, no lie. And the easiest way I do it is on my uh, DIY computer, pretty much for coding and all that, but that's what I check my analytics, my copyright strikes, or the comments on videos and see how well I'm doing. And you guys, we are halfway there to 1,000 views on this channel, which is flippin' insane. Like, I can't believe we're almost there for a 38 subscriber channel. Like, that's, like, we only need 40. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not good at math. So we need, alright, so we have 952 views total on this channel. So we need about maybe 48 more views, and then I'll do a live stream. Nothing really special, but just to thank you guys for supporting this channel and all that. And yeah, that is pretty much how you add annotations to your videos, and hopefully this will help you guys in making your own YouTube content. Trust me, YouTube is really fun, but you gotta make sure you do the right stuff so you don't get copyright, I don't know, like community guidelines strike. I don't know what that's all about, but like I said, I'm learning every day. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, please turn on my channel post notifications, click the bell down below to know if I never upload a video in or live stream to my channel. You can see it live, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join Team X-Men03 for later content on this video. And if you click on my channel skull icon right here, hopefully, or no, maybe right here, it will take you to the subscribe button, and you guys can or so you guys can support this channel. And if you guys want to see yesterday's live stream, like I said, I'll link it up here, hopefully, if it works. I'll link yesterday's live stream from, yeah, I'm gonna link yesterday's live stream up here, hopefully, if it works. And if they don't show up, don't worry, I have to upload the video first, and then I'll have to add them, but it's really not that hard. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.